Hi, my name is Jonathan Torn, and I'm the co-founder of Walter. Walter stands for Working and Learning Together Electronics Recycling. And we are a dual-purpose social enterprise with a mission to preserve the environment through responsible recycling of electronics and fighting economic exclusion by hiring people facing persistent barriers to employment, specifically in the Brownsville neighborhood of Brooklyn, where we are located. Uh, E-waste, or electronic waste, is a fast-growing and serious issue around the world and in the US as well. It is the fastest growing stream of waste in the world, and only a small fraction of that waste is currently recycled properly. So while this is an economic opportunity because there is value in that waste, it's also a serious environmental problem. So when you recycle your electronics with a company like ours, you help reduce heavy metals in landfills. You replace the need to mine virgin materials from to mine virgin materials and the environmental damage that that causes. You reduce the need to transform those mined materials into metals by recycling existing metals, and you avoid any potential issues in your supply chain by sourcing materials from conflict zones or exploitative labor conditions, which a lot of the components in electronics do come from. In terms of our social mission, we really want to, our goal is to create green jobs, jobs that are good for the environment, that will help unleash the potential of the people in underserved neighborhoods that we work with. And we do this through an original and innovative workforce development approach, which we call targeted open hiring. It's targeted because we really try and find those who have the greatest obstacles to employment, people who may not have stable housing, who may have disabilities, who may have had issues with the criminal justice system, or several of these things. And it's open hiring because if you come and you have a willingness to work, you can work. We've done this by creating partnerships with local nonprofits such as ATD Fourth World, Good Shepherd, and Goodwill, and that helps us find candidates that suit the mission. We start our candidates at $17 per hour for the training, and then that increases to $19 per hour after 1 year. And we have a growth-oriented mindset for the folks who come and work with us, and that means that they may start doing fairly simple tasks, such as loading and unloading a truck. But for those who are willing and who have the desire, they can move on to other more skilled tasks, such as dismantling electronics, data destruction, and testing and refurbishing as well. We are primarily a B2B company, so we offer quick and convenient services to companies who want to sustainably dispose of their electronics. We recycle using the highest environmental standards with a focus on refurbishing whenever possible. We secure all our customers' data through data destruction either on site at their office or in our warehouse. And we offer clear and measurable both data destruction reports and recycling reports so people have transparency on what's happening with their electronics. And lastly, we help all our customers comply with all local, state, and federal regulations. So the bulk of our revenue, as you'll see, comes from refurbished items so items that we collect and then refurbish. The second largest category is items that are sold for scrap metal. And then we do collect some fees from our customers, primarily data destruction fees, but occasionally logistical fees as well. And so this combination of a mission-driven company with excellent service has earned us over 100 customers since we've started, some of which are here on this slide. Some other interesting milestones that we've accomplished: we've created 12 jobs since we started in March of 2022, so just under 2 years ago, recycled over 400,000 pounds of electronics, refurbished more than 2,000 items, and we've been featured in the UN for our original business model, as well as received the 2023 French American Entrepreneurship Award. Now, we hope that this is just the beginning for us, and with your help and the help of this grant, we would grow and scale this vision. We would start if we were to win this grant, by purchasing some equipment, including a forklift, baler, and some pallet racks to help us scale our vision faster and make better use of our warehouse. We hope to double the amount of electronics that we processed last year, and within the next 2 or 3 years, employ first 35 new employees and then go up to 100 employees by 2026, and ultimately become a leader in the Metro New York area in B2B sustainability services. So thank you for your attention, and I hope you'll support us in our mission.